we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. And guys, you know we go over the funny articles first. We have China may align itself with the Taliban to exploit Afghan rare metals. Also, is China about to tuck Afghanistan in its Belt and Road? So guys, the movie is definitely starting. That's the reason why I did my video on the Patreon, to show you exactly what their agenda is. Also, if you watched a couple of my videos on my main channel, Crypto Teacher, I told you what the narrative was going to be. The New World Order has to bring China to the forefront, guys. Do not forget that. Remember, China is the blueprint. China is going to take us into the fourth industrial revolution. They're going to lead the way. And then also, speaking of another narrative, we have T-Mobile data breach of over 40 million. Now, getting over to news and stocks, guys, we have the Fed closing in on tapering. And guys, we know the Fed has pumped stocks and in cryptos. Like I said, my main channel, Crypto Teacher, I go over the Fed every single day. So guys, we knew where the repo market started. Even if you're on this channel, I went over it every single day. But guys, the repo is all the way up to $1 trillion manipulating yields. That's the reason why the stock market went up. That's the reason why cryptos went up. Now we have PayPal and Fiserv partnered to allow paycheck deposits and Venmo accounts. And guys, we know more and more of this digitalization when it comes to cryptos. Like I always tell you guys, if you're investing in the fourth industrial revolution, the key word is investing, not just trading, investing, looking 5 and 10 years down the road. That's what ARK Investments does. That's why Kathy Woods is so important. If you follow her blueprint, you'll understand where this is going. Now we have Oppenheimer upgrades Wendy's fast food, says it can move up 20%. Also, we have Wells Fargo upgrades ViacomCBS, which I definitely own. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But when they took that big dip from Archegos, I definitely bought. Now we also have ViacomCBS join forces with Comcast to launch new streaming services in Europe. And guys, why is streaming so important? Because it allows these big companies to go global, not just in certain areas where they can build out. With streaming, they can go anywhere in the world. And we know television has been used to push their agendas. Now, we also have Coinbase, guys. Coinbase is making its way up. I've explained time and time again on my main channel, Crypto Teacher, also on this channel, guys. Remember that Coinbase is building this digital economy. Everyone just about in the world has a cell phone, and that's going to allow this cryptocurrency virtual world to speed up. And just like I said, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice, but please do your own research. And we also see, guys, Chinese stocks taking a hit. NEO, we have Alibaba, we have Tencent. But again, guys, those stocks are for the fourth industrial revolution. They are perfect. But I'm not going to say they're not going to take even a bigger dip, because we know when we do crash, it's going to be global. But at the same time, guys, we know the new world order stocks are going to rise back up, and especially China stocks. Now, basically going over the climate agenda, especially with electric vehicles, we see money being thrown into this sector. Electric vehicles, your charging stations, we know about the infrastructure bill. Also, guys, with 5G, please go check out my 5G stock video, because we know that in the infrastructure bill, they're going to allow people to get subsidies for internet to make sure everyone has internet, because, guys, that's part of the fourth industrial revolution. Automation, robots, drones, it's all going to be virtual. Now, guys, you know Palantir is one of my stocks from the beginning, because we know it's basically all government contracted company. But guys, we have Palantir buys $51 million worth of gold. Not Bitcoin, but gold. So guys, we know this is nothing but a signal. The New World Order is telling people to get ready. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's definitely all planned out. But guys, we're going to go over the actual indicators. We have the dollar down, we have the VIX up, and we have Treasury yield slightly up. Now we have Kramer says the VIX is flashing a warning. Guys, we know I go over the indicators all the time. We know the yields are definitely going to let us know once they rise. We know stocks and cryptos are going to take a hit. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We know the New World Order has already built up so many narratives. They can go to so many places. So guys, make sure you're paying attention. So therefore, you're not falling for the narrative like the sheep and watch the money. Because they're definitely going to run the money in the back door. Why? Because they have to build the fourth industrial revolution. Remember, guys, this is all built around Freemasonry. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to go to my main channel, Crypto Teacher. Like, subscribe, spread that channel everywhere, so therefore you can learn the new crypto economy. Also, this channel, guys, like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids' books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.